Wait, isn't that right?
Nah, man. Isn't it 2005?
Wait, what year is it supposed to be? I'm a little lost then. I'm confused. Wouldn't be the first time.
No, I think it's
5776 according to the Jews, though.
What year's that? 577. Is it like 2112?
Hey, check this out. Is that first and last time you'll see me smoking a cigarette?
Why? What happened?
New Year's resolution.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Like
Very
I believe in
stressful
those,
day.
dude. Just like your last one did not do anal anymore with hunky biker guys. That one didn't last too long last year, did
he's
it?
not smoking cigarettes. He's smoking bowls now.
You mean like Polacks? You like Polish guys,
Still
dude?
hasn't been able to
What is
drive.
that?
Why
Your
you
fucking
sit down
mom's
and fuck that, man?
wedding dress we got hanging there?
Fuck that, man.
No, is that true? You like Polish guys now? Biker ones or what?
Nah, just the cute bike.
Happy New Year, Alex! Happy New Year! Woo!
I have
Woo!
no idea. Probably.
You had no idea? Oh, yeah. Well, you
What
know,
do you guys?
Happy
I don't know, man. You're the gangbanger in the crowd. Man. That's it, man. You guys get your little cars to drive down the street and shit, you know?
Now, for everybody, Baby D will rub his bows for 2005. Here's what I think of 2005. Let me rub my bows a little bit. Let me rub them. Let me rub my bows. You want to rub his balls, dude? 2005, it's like rubbing Buddha. There you go. Good job.
There you go. You still gotta do
Good luck.
There we go, Baby D! No, that just seemed kind of weird, though, dude. I don't know. That wasn't, like, weird to you, kind of? Touching Baby D's genitalia?
Well, dude, he has no genitalia.
Go hang out up there, dude.
Hey,
What?
Max.
What?
I think I found your dream date right there.
Oh, yeah, dude. There we
Alright,
go.
found that.
There, yeah, dude. Woo! Did
What
she
do you
hear me anything?
Let's fucking go back for it, dude.
You want that?
You want to go?
Okay, yeah, let's go.
It's
back.
like fucking red hair everywhere,
Dude,
dude.
right now I'm at the point where I'll take anything. I don't give a fuck.
No, really, dude? Are you not?
Hey, dude. Just make sure she's got all her teeth.
Oh my god! Oh, I'm sorry, dude. The fucking camera hit you right in the face. My bad.
Dude, I haven't had.
Dude, maybe she get her a flower. What do you think?
Fuck that bitch.
Oh,
Just
alright.
keep on the fucking.
Fuck that bitch, dude. That's really polite, man.
Well,
Fuck.
you're taking anything, huh?
Yeah, he's taking anything is right.
Yeah, I haven't had sex in at least a week, so.
Okay, let the master at work here do his thing. Excuse me, ma'am. No. Hi, excuse me. Hi, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Look, she must think I'm cute because she was smiling at me. Hi, excuse me. Oh, do you think I'm cute?
Yeah, sure, whatever you think.
Really, Matt? Can I ask you a question? Do you know where Bradshaw Street is?
No.
You have no idea.
No.
Fuck, dude, we're in a bad spot. I don't really know what to do. We're trying to, cause you know it's the new year, you know, and we're trying to find this fucking. We're trying. Happy New Year! We're trying to find this. We're trying to find this. Oh, thank you for getting that for me.
It's no litter.
Yeah, maybe you can look at the directions here. I don't know. We just can't find it, and I'm like, Happy New Year! I'm sorry, my bad. Aren't you excited? It's New Year's. It's time to make resolutions and do, you know, new things like anal. No, you know what I mean? You have a boyfriend, right?
No.
You don't have a boyfriend?
No.
Oh.
I don't know where you're going.
I'm filming our escapades today. Woo! New Year's. Aren't you excited?
Yeah, sure.
Hey,
Not really.
Alex, aren't you excited?
I'm fucking very excited.
Do you want to meet my friend Alex here for a second?
I guess.
This is my friend Alex.
Hello.
What's that little?
Is he nice? The truth is, he saw you when we were across the street, coming up, and he thought you were really cute. And he wanted us to stop. Cause are you embarrassed already, dude? I'm like his dad. I'm sorry. I'm like trying to get him a date. But no, he thought you were really cute. And he wanted me to stop and just ask if like.
Well, I have to get to the store. I'm sorry.
What happened? She has to go to the who?
store.
Come on, man, you gotta
What's
get
the
to
store?
Do you have to go to the
You
mortuary?
gotta get to the
No, I have to get to the store.
The store. Here, look. Let me ask you a question. For real. What's the point? The point is what? He wants to know if you want to come with us to go find this fucking joint and have like a fucking mad crazy party.
Why?
And we're gonna film. We're gonna film it all. We're gonna film it all right here, right up in this joint.
Why?
He likes you. I don't know. Why don't you get out and fucking say hello, dude? Stop being like the mysterious guy inside the van. Grab her! No, I'm kidding. Jeez. I'm kidding. Oh my
Come on,
god.
look, yeah, we just want to have a party. Just,
Introduce yourself.
I'm Alex.
Alex
What is your
and
name again?
Brandy.
Brandy.
Brandy. Hey, I'm Sanchez. Go ahead and rub a nub.
Come on, you gotta
Come on, give me a little handshake.
Thank you. Give it good.
Ooh, with you, I like it. Give me a little handshake here. Ooh, you got soft skin. Look at that. Oh, you got soft skin. Do you not work or anything?
No.
You don't work?
I like your hair. She's got nice red hair.
I have Social Security
This guy is a total fucking pushover slut ball for red-haired chicks. He loves fucking red hair chicks.
Are
It's very nice. Yeah, it is.
Are you a natural red or?
No, it's dyed.
Oh, okay, never mind. Get back in, dude. Let's get out of here.
Can't I read?
Yeah, we can't hang with that shit. No, I'm teasing. So, Brandy, what do you think? Maybe you wanna come with us? We can hang out a little bit. Maybe have a few drinks and.
I don't know. It doesn't sound very interesting.
What's gonna be your New Year resolution? No more oral sex with your partners. No, I'm teasing. That was a joke. Because for him that's his. No more oral sex and anal
No more, it's
with
too
his
busted.
biker boyfriend Polacks.
Busted.
Polak biker boyfriends. Yeah, something like that.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Is that too weird, dude? I freaked her out.
You're freaking her out. Come on.
I'm sorry, dude. Okay, grab her! No, I'm kidding. No, oh my god, you're so playful and funny. So let's hang out a little bit, maybe. We go have a drink or something.
No, that's okay.
You don't even want to come to the just, I mean, consider it. You know, we go to a,
How about we just go find a place and we'll take you to the store, and if you don't like it,
Yeah.
we don't have to go.
what he said,
Yeah.
to the fifth
You
power.
can help us find it.
And then the next thing I know, I'm in the van and
Oh, no, we're not going to do anything weird. I mean, we're just going to talk
We're
and
just,
hang out.
going, we're just going to a party.
It'll be fun.
Have some champagne.
Whatever.
But this is an all-day thing. It's going to be sweet.
You, have
You can sit up in front if you want, if you don't like the whole idea of...
People there. You don't have to talk to them the whole time. There'll be other guys there.
Whatever, dude. He likes you. He said he liked you. He thought you were
you know,
cute.
my New Year's
I wanna get
resolution
to know
is to
you.
be straight lesbian.
Straight.
Oh, you're not a
Guys
lesbian,
anymore.
are you, though? Are you one of those?
Huh?
Are you one of those
Hey,
kinds?
first of all, how can you be a straight lesbian?
Yeah, how do you do that anyway? I'm confused. Maybe you should come with me and explain it to me.
Yeah, whatever.
Just come with us. We'll go hang out and we'll go to this fucking party. You'll have a blast.
Okay.
Who wouldn't want to have a good time on New Year's Eve, dude?
Let's go, let's
Please
go.
forget
She said
about
okay.
it.
She said okay, dude.